All essential Linux commands. Most people associate Linux with a sophisticated operating system which is completely used by programmers. But it's not as terrifying as it seems. The Linux kernel provides the foundation for an entire series of open-source Unix operating systems. All of the most popular Linux-based operating systems, such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Mint, Debian, and others, are included. Distributions, or distros, is a more correct term. In this, you will cover detail of these Linux commands, with examples. 1. Introduction of Linux in detail. 2. How to enter first commands. 3. Superuser commands. 4. How to navigate commands. 5. File operation commands, with examples. 6. How viewing commands work. 7. Comparing file commands. 8. Matching text commands. 9. Directory commands. 10. Process commands. 11. Account commands. 12. Groups commands. 13. Permission commands. 14. Running job commands. 15. Backup/restore commands. 16. Date and time commands. 17. Networking commands. 18. Scripting commands. 19. System commands. 20. Helping commands. 21. Skill of commands. 22. Access permissions. 23. Linux symbols. 24. Shortcut keys. 25. Run levels table. 26. The VI-editor commands. 27. All essential Linux commands. Conclusion. For more information, visit our website